Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Cubot Note 15. You have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and then click on Manage your Google account. Now you have to click on Data and Privacy and then scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password and now you have to scroll down and you have to check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. And now your account should be removed. So now let's open Google Play Store, for example, or any other app that requires you to sign in into your Google account. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click Next. And now I have to enter my password. And then click I agree. Now click Accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.